Welcome to short and crisp algo trade training from MarketSecrets. If you are interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, use the link in the description to join our ATP program. In this episode, we are going to learn how to cancel an order. So, this is a script that we have used in the earlier episodes. So I'm just going to reuse the same. So I'm just going to, run the script to place an order first, and I want to get the order details. Okay. So it's done, and we got a new order placed as well. So I'm just going to pick up the order ID of that particular order. So this is the order ID. So now let's go to the UI and check whether this order is there. So 56352. Okay. So 56352. This order should be there in the application, that is in the UI side. So switching to the UI, and if you see, there's an order and the pending orders, and if you see the order detail, it's the same order ID that we placed from the script. Okay. So now what we need to do is we need to write a script to cancel this order. Okay. So my client dot cancel order. Okay. Cancel order, and all you have to give is order ID. So just pasting the order ID that I copied earlier from this particular response. And now I'm just copying the script or cutting the script and pasting it afterwards. Okay. Actually I should have copied, so I'm pasting it here again, and for a moment I'm just removing this. Okay. So what this will do, this will get the order details first and then cancel the order, and it will get the order details again, so that we can see the difference. Okay. So yeah, it's done. So if you go to the script as well, so first the first response, the order status is open. Okay, you can see it, right? So for this particular order ID, it is in open status. But now after canceling the order, I'm printing it again, and now we are seeing it is in cancelled state. Okay, so the order is now cancelled. If you want to check from UI also, you can check it. So switching to UI, and if you see the order details now, it's in cancel state. That's it. So if you have any queries on this, let us know in the comment section. Also hit the like, share and subscribe buttons if you find these videos useful. Thank you.